I'm sitting here this morning looking at all of the executive orders specifically geared toward education and Medicaid, and I'm just stunned. Why are we picking on our most vulnerable population? These children need services in school. They need free lunch. They need free breakfast. Do you know, in some districts that I've worked in, that free lunch and that free breakfast was the only meal that some of these kids got. And if you think I'm exaggerating, ask other teachers that worked in the same district. Medicaid. Cutting Medicaid means cutting special ed services, cutting ABA, cutting speech, cutting special needs services. I don't know where this administration gets off with picking on the most vulnerable people, but something has to give. We the people, please email your representatives. Email. Rise up, because this is only going to get worse.